Hello and welcome to taik18. So here in this video, we are going to discuss about the next level of the Azure basics is about Azure hierarchy. So Azure is a kind of, I can say it's a kind of ocean. It has a lots of things inside to that, right? So we are not able to cover everything all at once. So we'll go step by step in this journey. So to understand the basics, there are a few hierarchies which we need to follow. The first is the management groups or Active Directory groups, or basically a user. So when you want to start Azure, you just need a group, right? So that's the one which you need to define initially, and which is called as management groups. And inside to that, we need to buy subscriptions for any kind of services, whether it's for a virtual machine, whether it is for a SQL server, whether it is for any kind of other services, networking or anything else. You just need to buy a subscription for that. So you can have multiple subscriptions within your own organizations depends on your needs. It can be based on your department level, it can be based on your functional level, or it can be based on just an application testing, development or production environment. So it can be at any level. You can buy a subscription based on your needs. And inside to each subscriptions, there is a called resource group. So inside to one subscriptions, you can have multiple resource groups. Resource groups is nothing but it's a kind of category grouping of the resources which you're going to use inside to that subscription, right? So for an example, if I go one level down here, the last level is the resources. Resources is nothing but the services available in the Azure. So if you want to buy a virtual machines or a storage or a SQL server or any kind of functions, Azure functions, you can just group it together into a resource group, and that resource group can be by a subscription model, and that subscription can be together into a management group. The management group actually help you to manage all your subscriptions, and in subscription you can manage all your resource groups, and in your resource group you can manage all your resources. So this is the level of hierarchy which is has. And the main tool which you can handle everything is the management group tool. Inside to that you can manage everything, all your subscription, all your resource group and all your resources. So this is the hierarchy, and this is just a short video about that because I just want to understand and cover the basics of it in order to go for further videos on that. So resource is nothing but the services which we are going to use, like SQL Server, Azure Functions, storage, Azure Blob Storage or virtual machines, any kind of resources. So resource group is the grouping of all the resources into one package, because if you want to give an access control to certain group of peoples for this level of services, then you can use that resource group to control your access and everything. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. And if you want to know in detail about any other features, please post it in the comment section below. I will just start a new series here. So I just want to understand your feedback. This will help not only for me, also for you and also for other peoples in the community, and let's grow together. Until then, see you in the next video.